What if everything you thought you knew about our closest celestial neighbor was wrong? For decades, the moon has been a symbol of wonder. But beneath its serene pockmarked surface, and in the shadowed corners of NASA's archives lie discoveries so unsettling and profound. They challenge our very understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. By the end, you'll be looking at the night sky in a whole new way, the enigmatic moon blink anomalies. Have you ever seen something out of the corner of your eye only for it to vanish when you look directly? Imagine that, but on a lunar scale, witnessed by professional astronomers for centuries. We're talking about transient lunar phenomenon, or TLPS, brief flashes of light, color changes, and obscure hazes reported on the moon's surface. These aren't just blurry photographs, these are documented observations. What could be causing these fleeting visual anomalies? Are they natural geological events or something far more unusual? The curious case of the shining city? Imagine looking at the moon through a powerful telescope and seeing a city, not just a crater. This is what Soviet astronomer Nikolai Kosyry observed in 1958 near the central peak of the crater Alphonsus, reporting a reddish glow. What's even more disturbing is that similar city-like geometric patterns and bright anomalies have been reported by others, including the Apollo 17 crew, the missing Apollo 10 footage, and radio silence. During the Apollo 10 mission in 1969, the crew experienced inexplicable radio interference. Declassified transcripts later revealed bizarre conversation between astronauts about music and whooping sounds that they heard. What were they really hearing? And what, if anything, did they see that we haven't been shown? Massive, unexplained geometric structures in craters. Craters are usually circular, but some contain perfectly geometric artificial-looking structures. One prime example is the alleged tower in the Sinus Medi region, a long slender structure casting an impossibly long shadow. The bridge structure of Mare Crisium. Bridges are built to connect two points, typically by intelligent beings. Is it a unique natural rock arch or something far more complex? The sheer audacity of such a structure would rewrite lunar history, mysterious moving lights, and crafts. Imagine being an astronaut looking out your window and seeing something unexplainable moving across the surface. Apollo 11 astronaut Buzz Aldrin himself has publicly spoken about seeing an unidentified object during their journey. Were these just tricks of light, or was something else keeping a close eye on our first steps onto another world? The dark side anomalies of the far side, the moon, forever hidden from Earth's view, has always been a place of intense speculation. When we finally got images, they revealed features that defy easy explanation. Beyond the lack of large Maria, these regions exhibit unusual magnetic anomalies. More unsettling are the images showing massive, almost perfectly geometric depressions and even what appears to be colossal hammers or bases built into lunar rock. While official channels explain these as geological oddities, the sheer scale and artificial-looking precision of some features are difficult to reconcile with natural processes. Is there something significant hidden on the dark side of the moon that we never get to see? Imagine seeing giant transparent domes or tunnels. Sounds like science fiction, right? Yet, photographic evidence and astronaut accounts suggest otherwise. Early lunar orbiters captured images of what appeared to be dome-like structures. These structures seemingly cover large craters and even entire lunar features. One of the most famous examples is the alleged dome in Marini. Later analysis of Apollo photography revealed areas that seem to show glass-like or crystalline structures, reflecting light in a way regular rock shouldn't. Are these extremely rare and specific geological formations? Or could they be artificial enclosures perhaps protecting something beneath? The existence would be a game changer, the LROC images of impossible shadows and objects. The Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter camera has given us the most detailed images of the moon ever. And with that detail comes more undeniable disturbing anomalies. We're talking about LROC images that show shadows cast by objects that simply shouldn't be there. Shadows that imply massive complex structures rising from the lunar surface, often with geometric precision, far exceeding any known natural rock formations. While NASA attributes these to pixel artifacts or obscure features, the consistency of these impossible shadows across various images is truly puzzling. And finally, the cube in the change for rover images. Our number one most disturbing moon discovery that space agencies can no longer ignore. Just recently, China's Yutu rover, part of the Change 4 mission, captured an image that sent shock waves through the scientific community. It was a perfectly cube-shaped object, rising from the lunar surface in the distance, nicknamed the Mystery Hut. While initial official explanations quickly dismissed it as a rock, the original distant image of the perfectly geometric cube was undeniably startling. The public fascination and subsequent attempts to downplay its appearance highlighted a disturbing pattern of rapid conventional explanations. Was it truly just a rock? Or was it a glimpse of something far more profound? Something hinting at an artificial origin on our celestial neighbor. The more we look at the moon with advanced technology, the more questions arise and the more disturbing some of these discoveries become. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. For now, I've been your host, Johnny Rogers, and I'll see you on the next one.